This is Pioneer's rDrive, powered by LoJack. Pioneer rDrive is a connected services solution designed to elevate your vehicle ownership experience by keeping you informed and up to date about your vehicle's location and its status. Pioneer's rDrive, powered by LoJack, is a combination of a small piece of hardware installed in your vehicle and a powerful, cloud-based services platform controlled by a simple and intuitive smartphone app. The VCS 300LJ OBD-II port unit is compatible with most passenger vehicles on the road today and does not require a Pioneer in-dash receiver to be installed in the vehicle. The VCS 300LJ has a built-in GPS receiver that automatically updates the vehicle position as it drives, and it can report that position to the rDrive app using its built-in 4G LTE data service. It also has a 3-axis accelerometer that knows the difference between a pothole in the road and a vehicle crash. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. You can see this is a pretty small box. We'll just slide this piece of cardboard out of here and open this up. You can see there aren't many things in this box, but what's in this box can do a lot of cool things. The first thing we have here is the rDrive powered by LoJack owner's booklet. And here we have the VCS 300LJ. This is the OBD-II port unit, and it includes the GPS receiver, the 3-axis accelerometer, and the 4G LTE data service. This works in conjunction with the rDrive smartphone app. A few of the simple things you can do with the rDrive app is you can check the vehicle's location, you can receive speed alerts, and receive information about your vehicle's health. When you buy the Pioneer VCS 300LJ right here, you get Pioneer's rDrive powered by LoJack, and that gives you access to 4 very powerful services. The first of those services is CrashBox for instant crash detection. rDrive continuously monitors the VCS 300LJ sensors and can detect the difference between a pothole in the road and a vehicle collision. In the case of a crash, you'll be notified immediately via the smartphone app, and a 24/7 LoJack Command Center live agent will attempt to contact the driver and provide assistance or request dispatch of emergency services. The second service that is included with the VCS 300LJ and Pioneer's rDrive powered by LoJack is virtual boundaries for vehicle arrival and departure alerts. Using the rDrive app on your phone, you can set virtual boundaries around important locations, for example, home or school or work, or wherever you want to be notified if one of your vehicles either arrives at that location or departs from that location. The third service that's included with Pioneer's rDrive and the VCS 300LJ is Tripwire. Tripwire is an early warning system for movement detection. When you use the rDrive app on your phone and set Tripwire, the system will automatically create a virtual boundary around your vehicle, wherever it is. If your vehicle moves outside of that virtual boundary, for example, if it was towed or stolen, you're alerted to the vehicle's movement via the smartphone app. And the fourth and the most powerful service provided by the Pioneer VCS 300LJ and rDrive is LoJack. LoJack provides stolen vehicle location assistance. After your vehicle is reported stolen to local police, a simple call to LoJack can spring the 24/7 Command Center live agent support system into action. LoJack has been working directly with local police departments to provide stolen vehicle location assistance. Over the years, LoJack, working with local police departments, has proven to be fast and effective. And that is Pioneer's rDrive powered by LoJack and the VCS 300LJ and what's in the box.